Hello everyone, today we are going to make Masala Vada. This delicious and simple snack can be made easily out of split chickpeas. For this you will need split chickpeas or chana dal soaked for about 2 hours or overnight. You will also need some finely chopped onion, green chili, dry red chili, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, some cumin seeds, and half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. First, you have to grind the dal into a coarse paste without adding any water. The paste should look like this. Now you can add all the ingredients together and add a pinch of turmeric just to give it a good color. Now you can add salt according to your taste. You have to combine all the ingredients well together to form a good paste. The mixture should look like this. To make the vadas, scoop out medium-sized balls and gently flatten it between your palms to make flat and round-shaped vadas. You can prepare a number of vadas ahead before starting to fry. You can fry the vadas in medium hot oil until it gets a beautiful golden brown. You can flip it on both sides until it cooks evenly. When the vadas are fried well, you can simply drain them into paper towels. Your hot and crispy vadas are ready. You can serve them with coconut chutneys, which is a delight. You can check the link to my coconut chutney in the description box below.